make the stream.
What's up, guys? Today we are out here at the firm. It's like a rally course instruction place, but they also have a road course too. Well, they do a lot of stuff out here. They got a bunch of Crown Vics, they got some GTRs, they got some other stuff to do, driving instruction. And Adam has the Evo over here, Super right there. I got the R8, and TJ's actually out here with his drift car. So I think he's gonna do some laps in it, maybe do some like fast stuff, and then try to do some little drifting stuff too. But yeah, so this is about, I think it's 2.5 hours from Orlando. We woke up at like 4:45 this morning and basically ripped over here. It's about 2.5 hour drive from down by Garrett or Bradenton. So yeah, I'm stoked to actually take the R8 on a little bit of a road course. And then right after that, we're hopping in it and taking it all the way back to Colorado. Basically leaving from here and just headed back to Colorado. So road course to road trip. I guess here we go.
Right now, Trevor's gonna go. He's gonna follow Adam. Adam's been out here a few times. He knows the lines and everything real well. Let's see what he does.
Can I go? Yep. almost. See if we had a little bit more ride height, we'd be. Even if I were able to just do the front, how that on.
Just diving in or what?
Yeah. Alright, so driving this thing around, it's definitely interesting, like actually doing the car's purpose. But the suspension felt a little bit soft, kind of diving in the corners as far as like the dampening. And so we went ahead and firmed up this side. We need to do the other side real quick, and then gonna go back out.
Feels a lot faster than feels a lot faster when you're in the car versus
Then it looks.
Yeah. I'm sure you're also getting a little more comfortable too.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I don't know what I did to the lap timer. It's not working. Or I hit the little
Button.
So I wanted to be able to actually like
Time your lap.
Yeah. 'Cause otherwise you don't really know what you're doing. Or
Does the dampening feel better?
A little bit, yeah. I think it almost needs to just go like full stiff.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of roll, you can tell, but
yeah,
it's not bad.
I mean, it feels great though. Like on the track, it feels just cool. Like it just feels cool to like, I'm not even like wringing its neck, because I pretty much leave it in third and then second just for those really tight things, and then just and then fourth on the straight. But look at the brakes, they're smoking.
Hot boys.
I mean, they get freaking warm doing that stuff.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So
yeah.
It's sick. It's a lot of fun though. Like it's cool to actually do this. I want to take it. All right, boys, so we are headed back to Colorado. You guys seen us rip this thing around here for a little bit, and it was nice actually being able to do that type of stuff with it, with this type of car, because I feel like a lot of people that even own these cars, they don't even come out to the track and actually road course them and stuff. So we have a local road course around us, the same place where the drag strip is. So they do a lot of open lapping days and stuff, and I think that's kind of what I'd like to do is, you know, obviously get some brand new tires on here, some better tires, and go out and kind of play with doing some lap time stuff. So just the way this thing sounds is freaking amazing. But it was awesome hanging out. We got Jimmy Oaks, we got Pat, we got Alberto, we got TJ Hunt, Garrett, Matt Shillman, Taylor Ray, and obviously Adam. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. We are hopping in the car right now. Ty, you ready?
Let's do it.
26 hours. 26 hours, because we're like 2 hours north of where we were, but we still got to kind of go over and up. Let's see what time is it. It's Wednesday at 1 p.m. So let's see when we get back to Colorado. We're actually gaining hours on the way back to Colorado.
We are. That'll be nice.
So, all right, we'll see. We'll basically be back in Colorado at 1 tomorrow. 24 hours minus 2 hours for the thing.
Thursday? Is that tomorrow Thursday?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Let's get her done.
Get it done.
All right, guys. So we are back from the road trip. The car basically drove for how many hours straight? It was like 26 hours, 24 hours straight. Is that it was actually running on the way home. It took us about 26 hours to get home. Total, it did almost 4,000 miles over the course of a week, where we took it to the drag strip and then we took it to the road course. But we are back here in Colorado and we are down in the basement getting caught up on shipping all the orders. You can see we got the new Civic shirt, we got the Motion Auto sunglasses, the hoodies, not the hoodies, the beanies, and this is just basically the front of that shirt. So I think that's probably going to be it for this video. If you guys have not got entered for a chance to win the WRX, link and everything will be in the description. Again, every $5 you spent on our merchandise gets you an automatic entry for a chance to win. But yeah, appreciate you guys running along with me, going to Florida, hanging out with everybody, and doing a lot of stuff. Just kind of getting caught up on some sleep and stuff around here and trying to get caught up on the orders. We are picking up another order from our local screen printer today. So, you know, basically if you guys haven't got a shipping notification from your stuff, should be happening within the next couple of days. So, yeah, I appreciate all the support on this stuff. And, you know, Ty's been busy down here, late. But I'll see you guys later.